cheesy fun. Let's get on there.
Special train that copies any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable, sound-alike all-day and night Audiomatic Express. It can moo like a cow. It can go moo, moobity-moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you?
Moo, moobity-moo.
Can you sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can boop. How about you? Can you go boop, boopity-boo?
Boop, boopity-boo.
Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze on the flying trapeze? Swoop, zoom, zoom. Is there such a thing as an upside-down sound? Ooh, listen to this. It goes swim, swim, swim. Are you feeling keen to be the star on the scene? The trolley train goes bucking when sounding all trafficky. How about you? Can you go beep?
Honkity honk, beepity beep.
When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast with a swish, swoosh, kablast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, blast.
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun. Can you make it too?
Wee, wee, woo.
Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an ear full of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang bong chuck, bang bong chuck.
And a Sneetch farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo.
So goodbye, Sneetches. Goodbye all around. We won't forget all the wonderful sounds.
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the trolley until you're asked to.
That was actually really good fun. Bit cheesy, but it was fun. Highly recommend.